Hi, everybody. This is your PED 110 instructor again, Brian Kaprowski. I hope you're having a great week. Today, I just wanted to go over the assignments that are going to be due tomorrow, which is concepts 7 and 8, as well as the other exercise log that you will need to complete for tomorrow as well. And then I would like to go over the concepts that are assignments that are coming up in the class, which are concepts 10 and 9. So first, remember to click on the list of due dates, and you can see all the assignments that are coming up in the course. So for tonight, these are going to be due, and then next Wednesday, these are going to be due as well. Okay. What I would like to go over today, since the exercise logs are going to be due tomorrow, I just wanted to go over the logs a little bit more in depth. Okay. I know I did a little bit of this during the last video, but I just want to go over it one more time. So here, when you click on the course content, the logs, when you click on that, it's important that you pay close attention again to this rubric, right? Because this is how you will be graded each week on the log. Actually, I have it opened. So for you to earn the maximum amount of points here in the class, I need you to follow these guidelines here for excellent work. Okay. So for the aerobic activity, I need you to perform that activity 3 to 5 days a week for at least 20 to 60 minutes. That could be anything from walking, jogging. If you like to bike, you could include that here as well. Muscular strength, I need you to perform that 2 to 4 days per week, and I need to perform 4 to 8 different types of exercises. So if you participate in a strength training program, this would be a great way for you to accumulate these exercises in this category. So if you go to the gym, if you have your own weight training bench at your house or other equipment, you could include the exercises that you're doing there. If not, to meet this goal and to meet the requirement here, I need you to perform push-ups, sit-ups, body weight squats, calf raises, just a variety of activity here. You need to perform at least 4 to 8 exercises here. For flexibility, I need you to perform a stretching routine 3 to 5 days per week, and for at least 5 to 30 minutes each day. So here I would like for you to indicate the name of the stretch that you are performing and the amount of time that is spent performing each stretch as well. For a sports and recreational type of activity, this could be anything from maybe shooting a basketball outside, if you like to play soccer, if you like to take a hike. These will be some great examples and ways that you can meet the criteria in this category. And I'm asking that you perform that 2 to 4 days a week for at least 20 to 60 minutes each day. So everybody did pretty much great on the last exercise log for questions 1, 2, 3. But some of you did omit some of these sections here. Each of these sections have to be completed for you to earn the maximum amount of points in the class. And according to how much you perform in each of these sections, as indicated on the rubric, will determine your grade on the exercise log. Okay. In addition to that, make sure that you're reading the comments under the last graded exercise log, as that will let you know exactly what I'm looking for you to provide on future logs and will help improve your score moving forward in the class. Okay. Okay, so again, for this coming week, okay, these assignments will be due on February the 24th. Okay, you have 6 of them here, so make sure that you're doing them. Okay. For your concepts 9 chapter, that chapter looks at vigorous aerobics sports and recreational types of activities. And here you identify several different types of vigorous activities, and you'll be able to describe the advantages and possible activities that you could partake in within this. We'll also identify several types of vigorous sports activities, and we'll describe the advantages of sports activities in a personal activity program, and we'll explain the importance of skill learning with sports participation. Also, here in Concepts 9, you'll be able to plan and self-monitor a vigorous physical activity program, and you will have the tools to evaluate the factors that will help you adhere to them. So that's in Concepts 9. And then here in Concepts 10, that chapter is muscular fitness and resistance exercise. Okay, so this chapter will explain the factors that influence strength, muscular endurance, and power, and it will also list the benefits of fitness and resistance types of programs, and will describe the types of progressive resisted exercises, also known as PRE, and the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. It will also describe the different types of PRE equipment and the advantages and disadvantages of them as well. Okay, if you have any questions on the assignments that are going to be due tomorrow, please let me know, or any questions on the exercise log, or anything that I can provide further clarification on, please let me know that as well. Hope you have a great week. Good luck on your logs. I know you're all are working hard to complete them, and I hope you're getting the maximum amount of physical activity possibly can. Take care. Bye-bye.